You ready? What's going on, everybody? I got this 2003 Toyota Corolla CE. The seatbelt was no longer latching, so got a new one from Toyota dealership. It was 50 bucks. It's right there. It's pretty easy installation. Seat has 4 screws, 1, 2 in the back. You undo them with a size. I'll tell you guys in a little bit what size socket you use, but just undo them really easily. It's connected via this cable down in there. That's where it connects to the seatbelt latch. Let's go to the back. Come on, focus. 9/16 socket. 1 more screw. Right there. I'll show you the rest in a little bit. All right, so I think this screw here will undo this and give me access to the cord, which goes underneath. We'll find out right now. Yeah, so you undo this screw here. This is like a little U-shaped. You undo the strap from here it's holding on to, and it just pops off. So if you need to put it back on, you just kind of loop it back in like that. And I see it's attached right in there, and it goes through. So I might have to cut the cables and just put new ties. We'll find out. All right, so you undo this latch here. It was connected to these two, and then there's one more right there. So that connects to that. This is all the old belt. The new belt will connect here and there. And the new belt does come with a new clip. It comes with a bunch of new clips, so feel free to rip them out. I'll try to show you guys as best as I can. This little guy will clip in there. Clicked in. I think this one just clips in there. This one clips in there. And I really don't know where this clip will go. Probably should pay more attention to this last clip.